Today I'm gonna to show you how to extract social profile and also email when they are on the website. So this feature on Derrick will scrap the content and get only what looks like social media link or email link. So what do you need to do this? You need the website. Okay, so you have of the site where you want to find the social links or email on the website, and you need Derrick. If you don't have Derrick yet, you can go to Google Workspace Marketplace and go to Derrick, and then download Derrick and click on the blue button. Then when you finish to download it, you can close this tab and go back to your Google Sheet. Then you go to extension and you click on LinkedIn email phone finder and yeah, open sidebar. Then a sidebar will appear here, and that's all. When the sidebar is open, you will find social, find email, phone and social from website URL, this, okay? And you will select the column with your link, website link. So here it's the third column. So it's the name of this column, the header of the column is company website, and as you can see, we can find it here. So we will select this column. Then they will calculate how many lines he has to proceed, and as you can see, you see 26 lines. In fact, there is more line, but there is some line without any content, so it takes only line that are not empty. And then you just have to click on extract contact or preview on first 5 line. If you are not sure about the contact you from the field that Derrick will give you, or if you are not sure about the website, you can use the preview and it will proceed only for 5 lines. So I clicked on this one, and as you can see, the first step is Derrick will create headers with some information. So email, phone, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, Snapchat, YouTube, Reddit, Telegram, Page-Base, a statue of the feature. And he will try to find any information on the site about all this stuff. If he finds something, he will complete the line. If he don't, it will be empty, as you can see here. So for example, for the ENWWC, he didn't find any email, he didn't find any phone, but he found a LinkedIn, a Twitter, an Instagram, a Facebook, Pinterest, and that's all. For Clobot.ai, he found an email, LinkedIn, and that's all. And as you can see, it's worked pretty well, so everything is working well. The only where if doesn't find anything is on this line, because there is no website, so it didn't proceed this line. That's all. If you have any question about this feature, feel free to ask, and I hope you will try this feature soon. Bye.